start our class today, I want to show you how to avoid COVID-19. Alhamdulillah, Corona now is decreasing, but we must not be careless. We still always have to do protocol correctly. When you leave your home,
It's time to begin.
I recommend you to use 3 plain masks to be more protective. First, you use normal mask. Second, you use cloth mask. And lastly, you use normal mask again. This is how you look if you use the mask correct. Normal mask, cloth mask, and normal mask again. The second step is you should avoid many people. Example, Jackie invite all of the class members for go to her birthday party. The thing we should is don't go to Jackie birthday party. If you go to Jackie birthday party, you will get COVID-19 in your body. Why? Because you don't know who have COVID before you get COVID. And the last step that you need to know is wash your hand after you did something. This is how you wash your hands correctly. First, you put soap on your hands. Second, give little water. And after that, you wash your hand by following hand washing products. When it's done, rinse and clean. So thank you for watching and stay healthy in this pandemic. So thank you so much.